I am aligned with the energy of wealth and abundance. I have a millionaire mindset and attract wealth effortlessly. My income exceeds my expenses, and I am financially secure. I am open to receiving wealth from expected and unexpected sources. I am open to new streams of income that bring me joy and fulfillment. I am a master of my finances, and I manage money wisely. Wealth constantly flows into my life. I radiate confidence and attract financial abundance. I am open to receiving wealth beyond my wildest dreams. I am worthy of living a life of luxury and abundance. I attract wealth with every thought I think and action I take. I am financially abundant, and my prosperity grows every day. I have a positive relationship with money, and it serves me well. I am open to opportunities that lead to financial abundance. I am financially independent and secure. I release all resistance to attracting wealth. I deserve to have a lot of money in my bank account. I am grateful for the wealth that is flowing into my life. I am aligned with the energy of abundance and prosperity. I am open to receiving money from multiple sources. I am a money magnet, and I attract wealth effortlessly. I fill my mind with the idea of abundance, and abundance manifests in all my affairs. I know that my greatest goals are achievable. I know that my every dream is reachable.